Do you get carried away with your feelings? Every day we have an opportunity to create our best day, our best self, with a proper schedule and workflow followed by your highest efforts. You choose what you want to do. From waking up early in the morning to going to bed late at night is all based on your choice. From seeking help from others to helping yourself. From working 20% to rising the core work to 100% daily is all based on your choice. As you choose to work for 20% a day, knowing that it may serve you near about the same, but still you choose what you want. When you know that you have to invest your 100% in your work because you want the best outcomes, best result to live your own dream life, remember, both 120% are your own choice. You own your own choice. So you should make a remarkable control on your feelings that pushes you to deliver only 20%, to buckle up and rise to your 100% efforts. Now, choices comes from you, but how? Is it based on your feelings or it comes from your own mind that says to do the right thing? You all have felt in the morning to go back to sleep for more than 5 to 10 minutes. Maybe sometimes you have. But do you even realize that 5 minutes you give extra to your sleep may sweep you down by 20%, 30%, or may take you back where you have started? Be cautious about the things you are investing in yourself along with your feelings and control, because all the habits you are implying right now in present will ultimately result in your outcomes. And remember that the outcome is what you decide to do right now. That 10 minutes of short time extra nap can lead you back with several months, several years you have already implied for your dreams. You can be your own mentor right now. You can be above your practice you've been efforting daily. You can be on top scorer. You can build your success to the highest level. You can be the millionaire of your dreams. But if you are driven by your feelings that you are unable to control, mark the words. You are being a slave to your own feelings. You are being a slave to your likes. You are being a slave to your comfort zone. You are being a slave to your own mind. And this slavery will only end you up in a very deadly stage where nothing is left in your hand except the guilt of the time you had that you have wasted on your feelings that you couldn't control, and slowly they were destroying you. Say to your feelings that you don't control me, I control myself. I know what is right for me and I will do the best possible thing starting from right now. Get up from your bed to get going and use everything you got to have everything you want. You should make yourself a habitat to use every bit of the time as an opportunity to create something best, something good, something unique that defines your progress every day. After a long, hard working day, I know that you feel tired and use it as an excuse to sleep more, but think how much you can achieve by some sacrifice and fill in with a lot more effort into your work to reach the highest altitude to accomplish your dreams. Your one-time comfort, your one-time feeling can ruin an amazing opportunity to create an additional victory for a day. Rephrase your feelings to follow the principles to work more on a planned day. Reprogram your feelings to do exactly what will make you win ultimately, not to make you a loser in your own eyes and fill up with guilt and regrets. You are not here to try and fail. Rather, you are here to try harder to succeed at every level and cross them out with your mindset and belief. You are not here to be led by your own feelings. Rather, you are here to prove yourself that whatever you have dreamed of, you are going to earn it. You are going to achieve it because you are not in control of your feelings. You control your feelings to lead your way, except only that is actually in your favor and the right thing to be done in present. So get up to chase on your dreams. Get up to do what is right. Get up to hold on your opportunity you are procrastinating. Get up to work more on your dreams to make it a reality. Get up to work on extra efforts for additional gains. Get up if you really believe in your dreams. Get up if you have a zeal and enthusiasm to effort more. Get up for creating your own successful destination on your belief and efforts.